The new released LKTOP 300 watts Mavic 3 series battery charging hub underwent a comprehensive technological upgrade from the original 200 watts. A breakthrough leap has been achieved to reach the industry's compact and more powerful 300 watts. This enhancement highlights a significant increase in power density, meaning that when charging 3 batteries simultaneously, the overall charging rate is increased. The required charging time is further reduced. In addition, during the charging process, equipped with an efficient active cooling system, effectively dissipates the heat generated during the charging process. Moreover, a well-designed visual indicator on the side of the body, enabling users to easily identify the various stages of the device charging process. The charging mode can be flexible switching function, 60% storage charging mode, 100% fast charging mode. Furthermore, this charging hub does not require an additional external power adapter. To achieve charging function, charging needs can be met simply through the AC port. This design greatly enhances the convenience of device usage. In the absence of mains power, you can also utilize the USB-C to USB-C cable with the 100 watts output port for power supply operation. Leveraging the bidirectional power supply characteristics of this port, it can not only charge the hub itself, but also provide power supply for other devices to quickly charge the remote controller or other digital devices.